What the fuck is cracking? I'm back, motherfuckers. We'll see what the fuck we can do. I want to tell you guys, thank you for watching my videos. I appreciate y'all. Thank you for dropping likes. Appreciate everything you guys do. Y'all might see that I don't get that much views and shit, but like to me, that's something already. School zone, speed 25. Don't pass that shit, okay?
I'm here to tell you right now.
Don't go too fast, brother. There was a guy on my other video. He was like doing 70 on what is it? Stupid. I don't know which one is that one, but we don't care. Unless it's a ZL1, I want it. If not, I don't care. I don't care. Neither you guys, right?
I don't give a flying fuck, bitch.
I need to text a guy. He has a V6 Challenger. I think a 2014 one. He wanted to do a race just for fun. And I said if we can record a video. I guess he's down for it. And he said he just got time on during the week, not on the fucking weekend. Now I'm trying to figure out when I got time for it too, though, cause I work, bro. Besides making videos, I work, and I need to find a space, like a time that I can do the racing shit. Say stay tuned though, because I will be dropping more videos.
How? Hold on, bro. How?
But new shits are coming up. I'm just gonna say that. It might not be that exciting for you guys, but for me it is. What the fuck, dude? That thing scared me though. Recording in the morning, it was I don't know, I don't think it's that much, and I don't want that shit to be 5 minutes, at least 10, bro. But yeah, and my brother is going with me. He's behind me with his. What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that? Some shit. Smells like fucking weed. Oh shit, is that motherfucker smoking? There was a highway patrol right there. I didn't see it before. I was like, who the fuck said that? Roll some!
fuck is some...
Man. ¿Te querés ir por el freeway o por la calle?
¿Cómo quieres? Yo te sigo.
Le démosle por la calle.
Órale pues. Hasta la casa, ¿verdad?
La Spring.
No, así no has visto el video de TikTok, ¿verdad?
La neta que acá, cuando me meto a TikTok solo subo videos, bo. Es muy raro que me quede viendo TikToks, no te voy a mentir.
Pues es que...
Lo que sí compré y lo tuve que regresar fue el steering wheel, literal.
¿Por qué?
Porque el que agarré no trae para que se caliente. Y lo regresé y estoy esperando que me manden que me den el refund para volver a agarrarlo, pero el otro, el que sí tiene calentón.
¿Qué? A ver, léelo.
Dice estado civil, bien enamorada de mi hombre con cara de serio, con ojitos preciosos y pancita de Winnie Pooh.
Son como unas flechitas,
¿Eh?
Sí, lo loco,
¿Qué dijiste?
Con el...
Me sacaste de Japón para traerme acá.
Por acá ahorita. Uy, qué chingón se ve como le mata.
A mí me gusta cuando hace el pa, cuando cambio.
I don't understand why you even did this to yourself.
Nomás le dije que se quería ir al parque con el tío John. Y me dice, sí, pelota.
Uy, ahí va un 392.
Ay,
Same fucking color.
Un video, saca, prende la cámara y volar.
Se equivocó, man.
Oh, shit. Ya sé.
Fucking scary.
Fuck, believe this shit.
Oh.
We're gonna play soccer with my brother. All right, we're just gonna be shooting the ball. Now I gotta find him. I don't know where the fuck he went, if I'll be honest. Oh, he's over there. ¿Querés que te tire una foto con la cámara? ¿Te tiro una foto con la cámara? Aún así, boludo. ¡Bicha!
A few moments later.
These motherfuckers are throwing it all the way over there to a basket over there. They didn't make it, but I guess. Tienen que llegar a los hoyos, ¿ya? Básicamente.
Y el que se acerque más, pues la tiene de más cerquita.
No sé si echarle más aire, boludo. A ver, decí algo. Decile, suscríbanse. Drop a like. Comment. A ver, dale. ¿Qué más quieres decir? Drop a like. Subscribe. And comment, right? Ah, bueno.